It's 6:15 in the morning, and there is nothing like a nice hearty breakfast. A pot noodle. See, over here they don't really have breakfast. And Thai people don't generally eat breakfast. Well, not like traditional Western food. People might look at having a pot noodle for breakfast as disgusting, especially with loads of spice in it, but it doesn't really matter over here, because this is how it is. Okay.
Oh, that's heavy. So heavy. See, bud. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. I've just left Tiger House, and this bike is ridiculously heavy. It's sort of bouncing on the back end. I think I might need to stop and increase the preload on the springs, to be honest. Oh, I'm leaving Pattaya. Not for good. I'm still going to come back. Initially, I'm going for a month. I'm going up to Chaiyaphum to see what it's like up there. I've got a hotel for a month up there, and then I might come back, or I might go to Serene, or I might go to anywhere that takes my fancy. I had a bit of problem with my shoulder yesterday. I've had this sort of I don't know if you call it a frozen shoulder, but it's been bloody painful for a couple of months now, and it's gradually getting worse. And I went for a massage last night. Usually they fix me back, but I asked her to have a go at my shoulder as well. So she had a go at my shoulder, and I've been bruised. Oh, when they really do start going at your shoulder, if you say fix my shoulder or fix this or fix that, be prepared to get bruised. But the pain's gone. So she's done the job perfectly. Thank you very much. Now, I'm not going fast. It looks like it's going to rain. In fact, it is forecast rain at about 8 o'clock, so I'm probably going to get wet, but I really don't care. This AOC or something like that, this Android what's it thing, or Apple CarPlay, or whatever it is, it's both things, whatever you want to use it for. Superb piece of kit. This is more the sort of the form factor that I like. It's so much more usable, and I've got loads of space up and down. The other one, it was covering my keys or my ignition switch. With the TPMS, the cameras front and rear, it's got absolutely everything, and the camera quality, what I've seen even day and night, it's absolutely superb for what it is. The only thing that I'm missing is I keep forgetting my phone. I keep leaving it in the bike. I mean, you've probably seen it before. What I used to have is my phone used to be here, but I didn't like it because, I mean, it wasn't my phone isn't waterproof. It says that it is, but it bloody well isn't. So this is a good compromise. But even so, I keep forgetting my phone. Anyway, I think I better turn the camera off now. There's not much to see around here. There's not much to see actually until you get north of Bangkok. I don't like stopping at the side of the road here, but needs must. I had to stop and make sure everything's all secure. So, and it looks like it is. I'll be going about half an hour, I think. Because I've got my back brace on, and because I've also got my spine protector, it gets a bit uncomfortable resting your back on there. Onwards and upwards. God, this is so heavy. The trouble with over here, right, is the lorries, if it's a 90 km/h limit, generally they'll try and get to that 90 km/h, although they're not supposed to, but they'll try and get to the 90 km/h. Now, because it's bloody hot and bloody humid over here, the last thing you want to do is sit behind a lorry and it's slipstream, believe it or not. You need some fresh air. But in order to overtake the lorries, you have to go over the speed limit, which everybody does anyway. Yeah, I think you've got a problem with that, son. You need to oh my God. You know, it's 34 degrees, the humidity is through the bloody roof. I'm sweating my balls off. But you know something? The honest truth from my heart, I love this country. And I don't think I've ever said that about England. And I had a conversation with my dad not long ago, and he said to me, because one of the videos I said, I actually said that the only way I leave here is in a box. And my dad said, well, why leave in a box? I said, well, it was a figure of speech more than anything. I mean, if Chloe, my daughter, who's watching this, if you want my ashes, fair dues, I don't mind. Here's the honest truth, right? I'm in no pain. I've got no pain anywhere. I've got a bit of soreness in my shoulder because she bruised me. She hurt me. But apart from that, I've got no pain. My right leg, I've got no pain. It's still a bit, well, no, it is still numb. My foot's still completely numb, and down the right hand side it's still numb, but there is no pain. And in the UK, I was in agony with it. It was debilitating, you know. I couldn't walk, and I come over here, I'm now walking without a limp, and I've got no pain. So how can this country not be amazing? I have never ever felt happier than I do now. You see what lorries do, right? Instead of pulling into that lane there where it would have caused everybody else to slam the brakes on, they go up the odd shoulder until they go to the right speed, and then they pull over.
I've just stopped for my first sort of break. That looks like a very, very good breeding ground for mosquitoes and God knows what, lizards and snakes, and I can see things inside there. These strange things just scattered around the place, and it was just luck that I stopped at one. It might have been leading onto a swimming pool or something. Because looking at it down here, so you've got the toilets, and I think these are shower rooms of some kind, but I don't know if there was a swimming pool here. This doesn't even look like it's been finished. I wonder if it was something that was supposed to be, but it never was. Oh, that's asbestos. It's got it to about 36 degrees, I think. And I know it's about 85% humidity, so it's getting a bit warm. But I'm alright. You know, it's mind over matter here. That you're in it. What you got to do about it? I'm about halfway, right? And I can already sense the humidity drop. The temperature, I mean, it's 36 degrees, I think, but I don't feel bad at all. I love this bike. Although it does look a bit weird on like this camera because it's wide angle and it does look stupid, but anyway. We've done about 18,000 kilometres with it. 18,000. That's a long way. I've replaced the belt, I've replaced the air filter 3 times, I've replaced the clutch, as you know, I replaced the bell housing because that was oval, but apart from that, that's half the running gear. We're at this black, I think it is, BLACQ, Speciality Coffee and Bar, which means it's bloody expensive, so I'm not going in there. I've only stopped to stretch my legs for 5 minutes.
This, what they used to call wobble and weave, it's purely because if you imagine the front suspension on this thing is basically like a trolley wheel on your shopping cart, and if you reduce the load on it, that's what happens. You basically get what's called a tank slapper. I've got way too much weight on the back of this thing. Oh my god, look at that. It's terrible, isn't it? What is love anyway? degrees. Holy shit. Oh, it was warm. I will shade under this mango tree. Wow. I've got all this body armour on with gloves and God knows what else. Ah, you lucky sods. There's nobody here. Oh shit, I'm grounded. Oh, I think I'm here. I suppose I better go and check in somehow. I don't know how, I don't know what, where, why, who, when. It's called Pocket Park Minitel bathroom. It's got a light here. You can turn on or turn off. And in here, we've got this mirror. What's it light? Is that the only light in it? That's the only light in here, but it's light enough. Hot water, cold water, shampoo and soap. Toilet roll, toilet, sink, me. Wardrobe with a couple of hangers in. Yeah, I've got my own hangers anyway. I did bring them all the ones I paid for, the ones that I bought. Some grass on the wall. Why have I got AstroTurf on my wall? A king size bed with a... Oh, yes, monk's bed. And here we have superb aircon. Oh, it's so cold coming out of that. Beautiful. And then out here we have, it's going to be noisy because the aircon's there. Yeah, there is a net, I don't care. I paid, was it 210 baht a night, I think. So I'll put the conversion factor, but it's 32 square metres, I think it is. So I'm happy with that. I've got to get my coat hangers out, which look. I've got them all in here. I'm so pleased with this for the price, it's ridiculous. Look, I'll get that. Look how clean it all is. Washing machine, tumble dryer, and they also serve coffee, tea and coffee from 7 AM, and a vending machine with Skittles in it. Holy moly! The size of them. I like it here. I like it here. You know, little things that people do, look. What's all these for? I don't know, they just look nice. So I've got the bike here. And I've got to get all this stuff off.